Hello, my Gizzies. It's Jade Gizmo here with a new video. And, this is a surprise video. It's a surprise for me, too. I went shopping today at 7 a.m. because I'm a vampire, an antisocial zombie, a weirdo. Anyways, since I was out and about, just doing some regular food shopping, I ended up finding a good sale, and I just couldn't help but swipe my debit card and buy them. So here is part 2 of unboxing my Ghoulfriend.
Your connection to all things geeky and otaku, give it up for Jade Gizmo-san. You're so awesome.
Now, I don't know where my stabby knife is, but I have scissors, so hopefully that will be enough. We have 2 things to open. Yep, another Draculaura doll. Monster High. Now, make sure you guys saw my part 1 when I opened the original doll. So let's open this one. Seems to be pretty open. I promise, I haven't opened them yet. I mean, I bought them just a few hours ago. Came home and was like, I need to make a new video. It's been a while. I want to give a shout out to Ghost Soul 4. He's a pretty cool guy. Check out his channel. I will provide his link in the description. I don't know if these ones come with a stand or not. I couldn't see it in the box. I hope that they do. I would like to stand them up with my... And it does not. I will have to buy some stands, I guess. That's kind of disappointing. Okay, see, we have some, what are those, water balloons that it comes with? Got these pesky handcuffs again. Oh, we can snip from the back. And her body. Step. Is that it? Okay, here we go. What, does she work at Foot Locker? What is her top? So this is what the final product, what comes in the box. There's no stand, I checked, which sucks. We got the little pink sheep bat. Got some water balloons. Got a nice little sandwich toothpick. Referee's outfit. Now for number 2. I did say I bought 2 of them, didn't I? Because I did. This one is from the Boo York special. So, man, my father must hate me. It's not my fault these are beautiful. Just tear this beautiful box open. Need them scissors again. Is that one for a body? One for a hand. 2 for legs. Yeah, I'm getting pretty good at this. It doesn't look like this box includes any accessories. Which is okay. Still wish it had a stand. The first one had a stand. Why don't these two have a stand? Okay, here we go. This is the Boo York version. She has her cute little purse. Looks like lips and fangs. Different hairstyle. She has a beret, which is cute. Little silver and kissy fang skirt. Hopefully you can see the designs on it. So I now have 3 of them. And I have 2 more to the collection. Didn't know I was going to start collecting these, but just how life is. So thank you for watching, my Gizzies. If you want to follow me on social media, the links will be in the description. Thank you for watching, and I hope you join me next time.